See, recently there's been a judgment, and this has been going on for a long time about this Rapido, Uber, and Ola. This two-wheeler, service or rental is going to be banned. See, we need to look at it. I mean, after COVID, a lot of people have lost their job, or they are in severe loan, and there are at least, I believe, 1.5 lakh people in Karnataka, mainly Bangalore, dependent on this. On this, I'm talking about the riders. And you won't believe it, there are a lot of females, college girls, working mothers, single mothers, supporting their family. And we all know, old Bangaloreans like me or us, we know what auto drivers do and what they demand. So, the kind of, cost of living in Bangalore has gone up. And this is used, see, one is you look at the riders or the, captain or whatever they call them. And a lot of females also do it. Okay, so it's a part-time income or a full-time income for somebody. I mean, you really work hard in a Rapido or a Uber or Ola two-wheeler, you can earn up to 3,000 rupees a month. So that's like huge money, but you need to work hard. And in the hot sun, in the traffic, we ourselves, cannot go in this traffic. Imagine them, girls, youngsters. And if you observe, most of them are decent. They're not like auto drivers because they're either working somewhere or they're educated or the college guy trying to pay his fees. And plus, the people who use it, mostly used by working people who want to beat the rush hour traffic. And these Rapido and this two-wheeler will drop you at your spot. The metro will drop you at the station. You take a bus, it will drop you at the nearest point. Auto guys refuse to go everywhere inside. These guys will take you everywhere. And I've seen mostly it's used by these beauticians, girls working in malls, guys working in hotels. They finish late, they cannot go home. You don't have enough money to buy a two-wheeler, or they have other commitments at home. So government should take a look at it. I mean, it is not a joke. I mean, surviving in Bangalore. Tomorrow you cut off this, the lifeline of Bangalore. And then what's going to happen? Again, the auto guy will ask you 300 rupees, 400 rupees. Do they want the auto from a mafia to come? And, metro has become expensive. Buses don't take you to that destination. You need to take another, this thing, or walk in the hot sun. So, looking at all this, the government should take a balanced view, make some regulations, and if they are in Mumbai and Maharashtra and Delhi and everywhere else, and the bike taxis were there in Goa 40 years back. Okay, so there's nothing new, and they're abroad also. So take a balanced view and let everybody survive. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.